What's going on, guys? Vader Plays here, and today I'm just going to be opening up some battle packs in Battlefield 1. See what we get. Hopefully we get some legendaries, and of course I just get a common. Awesome. Oh yeah. Legendary, please. These are terrible. Another common. They gotta honestly just raise the drop rate for these. For like legendaries and blues and stuff. All you get is commons. Like, literally just commons. Oh, blue. Another common. What a surprise. Alright, come on. Please get a legendary. And I get another common. Come on, legendary. Please. Please. Oh, blue. Oh. I'll keep that. Oh, come on, legendary. Another common. Is that... I just scrapped that. Jeez. I want to at least do like one legendary. Another common. Okay. Oh, it's not too bad. Oh yes. Okay, I got a puzzle piece for the legend thing. All right, that's nice. I'm happy with that. Okay, another common. Anytime now, we'll get a legendary. You can feel it. Another common. Oh, a blue. That's not too bad. Yeah, I'll just scrap that. Another common. Hey, a legendary. Oh, please. Oh, it's a Calibri. No. That pistol is the size, less than the size of a dollar bill. Another blue, I'll keep that. Another legendary, 2 blues. I'll keep that. A puzzle piece for the saber, I'll take it. Another common. Not really surprised at all. Have gotten some pretty good camos, so... Alright, let's open up another one. Yep, another common. Ooh! Oh, a tank camo. Serious. And another common! Yay! Just not gonna say anything when the commons come up. Oh, that's not too bad. For a common came up. Still just gonna scrap it though because it's common. Ooh, a blue. Star Wars Battlefront Battle Pack. Ooh, a legendary. These. It's basically a tire iron with a piece of metal on it. Alright, let's buy. Yeah, we'll buy one for. Yeah, we'll buy that. Please get a legendary. Get the tank camo. I want the tank camo. And we get a blue. Not too bad. I'll keep that. That was nice. Quick pack opening, and later this week I'll be bringing you some Battlefield gameplay of just quick matches and stuff, and maybe some more Fortnite. But yeah, stay tuned. And thank you for watching this Battlefield pack opening.